Now, you might be asking yourself, how the hell did we get here? Well, this is how it started. This lady came in with back pain, neck pain, hip pain, you name it, she had it. So we're assessing her hip range of motion, and then we taking a look at as far as her low back goes. We're gonna manipulate that, boom. And you hear a little cracking sound. That cracking noise is not her bones breaking, it's just gas leaving the joint. Now this one's slow motion, watch this. The neck is actually very safe and effective, but it feels so amazing, and for the first time it's very shocking. This is an adjustment for the knee and the hip as well, where we pull it, take the pressure up because it's a lot of compression. This is for the upper back, and as you can see, it felt so good that she wanted to lay down